Have you ever wondered how animals talk to each other without using words? While humans rely heavily on spoken language, animals have developed fascinating ways to communicate using sounds, body movements, scents, colors, and even vibrations. These forms of communication help them survive, find food, avoid danger, attract mates, and strengthen social bonds. In this video, we'll explore the amazing world of animal communication and discover how creatures of all shapes and sizes send messages without ever speaking a single word. Communication is essential for survival. Animals need to warn others about predators, defend their territory, find a mate, and care for their young. Without effective communication, many species would struggle to survive in the wild. Unlike humans, animals don't use complex languages with grammar and vocabulary. Instead, they rely on signals that are instinctive, learned, or both. These signals are perfectly adapted to their environments and lifestyles. Let's take a closer look at the different ways animals communicate. Most common forms of animal communication is sound. Birds sing beautiful songs to attract mates and defend their territories. Each species has unique calls, and some birds can even recognize the songs of their neighbors. Dogs bark for many reasons. They may bark to warn their owners of danger, express excitement, or ask for attention. Cats, on the other hand, meow mostly to communicate with humans rather than with other cats. Whales and dolphins use clicks, whistles, and songs that can travel for miles underwater. These sounds help them navigate the ocean, locate food, and stay connected with members of their group. Even tiny frogs use loud croaks during the breeding season to attract potential mates. Animals also communicate through body language. A dog wagging its tail often shows happiness or excitement, while a lowered tail may signal fear or submission. Cats arch their backs and puff up their fur to appear larger when they feel threatened. Bees perform an incredible waggle dance to tell other bees where to find flowers filled with nectar. The direction and length of the dance provide precise information about the food source. Chimpanzees use facial expressions, gestures, and touch to express emotions and strengthen friendships. They hug, groom each other, and use hand signals to communicate within their groups. Even elephants use ear movements, trunk gestures, and body posture to send messages to one another. Some animals communicate through scents instead of sounds. Ants leave chemical trails called pheromones that guide other ants to food. These invisible scent trails act like maps that help the colony work together efficiently. Wolves and big cats mark their territories using scent to warn other animals to stay away. Many insects release pheromones to attract mates from surprisingly long distances. These chemical messages are so effective that scientists sometimes use them to help monitor insect populations. Even dogs gather information by sniffing. A single smell can reveal another dog's age, health, and even emotional state. Some animals rely on visual signals. Peacocks spread their colorful feathers to impress potential mates. Bright colors often signal good health and strong genes. Octopuses and cuttlefish can rapidly change their skin color and patterns. They use these changes to communicate with other animals, camouflage themselves, or scare away predators. Fireflies communicate using flashing lights. Each species has its own unique flashing pattern, helping them find the right mate during the night. Spiders and elephants even use vibrations. Spiders detect vibrations in their webs to identify trapped prey or potential mates. Elephants can sense vibrations traveling through the ground with their sensitive feet, allowing them to communicate over long distances. Animal communication is far more complex than many people realize. Whether through sounds, body language, scents, colors, or vibrations, animals have evolved incredible ways to share information and survive in their environments. Although they don't use words like humans, their messages are often just as meaningful and effective. Every bark, bird song, bee dance, or flashing light serves a purpose in the fascinating language of nature. The next time you see a bird singing, a dog wagging its tail, or ants marching in a line, remember that you're witnessing a conversation taking place in a language without words. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about how animals communicate, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts about the natural world. See you in the next video.